Welcome to the first in the series of Grandpa's Shop. I bring you into the farm shop so that you may learn what I have learned all through the years. My training began in 4-H and expanded through high school and all the way into college. And then in the past 40 years, I have learned even more. I hope to share my knowledge with you. That way that you may learn more of the same as I have. In a shop of any kind, safety comes first. And one of the first things of safety is safety glasses. These are necessary to protect your eyes. What safety glasses do is they shield you from sparks and flying metal coming from various sources within the shop environment. So they are very important, and it is necessary that you wear them in all times when you are in a shop. Today we want to focus on various things of shop safety, and this will become part of the series as we go through this several segments as we proceed down the road. As I put my shop glasses back on, we're going to want you to look and see how I'm dressed. I have relatively clean clothes on that would shed any sparks and materials that could affect my body safety. I'm wearing cotton-based clothing that should I encounter a spark that it would not burn and melt to my skin. Same way on my jeans. My shoes, if you can see them, are also leather, which keeps a person safe in the event that you have sparks and so forth around your feet. Follow me around here just a little bit and we'll see where this goes. Right here on the welding table is another important thing. Quite often you will see welders wear hats of various kinds, shapes, and sizes. This not only keeps your head warm in the wintertime, but it also keeps the top of your head from being exposed to welding rays, which can also give you like a sunburn. Gloves are important. Good leather gloves are an important part of most people's shop work. Welding gloves, as most people that work in the shop know them, are very heavy. Look at how heavy those gloves are. They have a long cuff. This shields your arms and so forth. Different tools are employed throughout the whole shop process. We use hammers. We use a chipping hammer. It also has a wire brush for cleaning off various surfaces as we're preparing for welding and so forth. Sizes and descriptions. A chisel on one corner of it also has a handle on it that will not be hot when we pick it up. In this particular shop, we have a heavy bench, one of several in here. Notice how thick the top of that bench is. Inch thick, solid steel. Another portion of it is approximately 1/4 inch thick. This is an area where we use a little lighter loads on. We also have a vise right here. Vise is very important, that it helps us hold our work and keep things together while we go through the welding process to build things. Different things around the table here, as you can see. Here's a big heavy punch. It's quite often used to align things. This little device right here is made to hold things down also, in addition to like the vise. Here's another type of vise right here. It is designed to be flexible so we can move things around and hold things in various positions. Behind me we have numerous other tools hanging here on the wall. We have grinders, we have torches, we have all kinds of small implements that are employed during the shop and building process over time. Many of these have been collected through the years. Some of them are even 100 years old. Would you believe that? Let me show you something that I know is well over 100 years old. Anybody need a haircut? How about you guys? You need a haircut? Here's a big pair of scissors. Did you ever see a pair of scissors like that? Pretty cool tool, isn't it? Yeah, that's what you find in Grandpa's shop.